The dividend snowball effect is a powerful concept in investing and personal finance. It's like a small snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing bigger with every turn. In the world of dividend investing, this effect can help you build substantial passive income over time. The key is to invest in dividend stocks that consistently increase their dividend payouts, allowing you to reinvest those dividends and exponentially grow your investment. As Warren Buffett famously said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." This quote perfectly encapsulates the essence of dividend investing. By planting the seeds of your portfolio with carefully selected dividend stocks, you can let the compounding effects work their magic, gradually building wealth for your future. Buffett himself is a firm believer in the power of compounding and dividend investing, having built his fortune through disciplined value investing principles. To create your ideal dividend portfolio and harness the power of the dividend snowball effect, start with dividend aristocrats, reliable companies that have increased their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. These are often large, established businesses with strong competitive advantages and sustainable business models. Look for companies with healthy payout ratios, ideally between 50% and 60% of their earnings. This balance ensures that the company can continue to grow while still providing attractive dividend payouts. Additionally, be cautious of extremely high dividend yields, as they may indicate underlying financial issues or an unsustainable payout level. Examples of reliable dividend aristocrats to consider include Coca-Cola, KO, with a compound annual dividend growth rate, CAGR, or 6% over the past decade. Coca-Cola has consistently increased its dividend for over 50 years. Procter & Gamble, PG, a consumer staples giant with a 10-year CAGR of 4.57% for its dividend. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, a diversified healthcare company that has raised its dividend for over 50 consecutive years, with a 10-year CAGR of 7.49%. McDonald's, MCD, the fast food giant, has increased its dividend for 48 straight years, with a 10-year CAGR of 10.87%. In addition to individual stocks, consider diversifying your portfolio with high dividend ETFs that focus on dividend-paying companies. These ETFs provide instant diversification and exposure to a broad basket of dividend-paying stocks. Some top dividend ETFs to explore include the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, VYM, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, and the SPDR S&P Dividend ETF, SDY. Finally, real estate investment trusts, REITs, can be an excellent addition to your dividend portfolio. REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends, making them a reliable source of dividend income. By strategically investing in a well-diversified portfolio of dividend stocks, ETFs, and REITs, you can harness the power of the dividend snowball effect to build substantial wealth over time. With consistent reinvestment and compounding, even modest initial investments can potentially generate sizable passive income streams, setting you on the path to financial freedom and personal development. Remember, the key to dividend investing success is patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset. Start early, reinvest consistently, and let the dividend snowball work its magic. While the growth may seem gradual at first, the exponential nature of compounding can lead to remarkable results over the long run. Imagine retiring with a passive income stream of $10,000, $20,000, or even $30,000 per month, all generated from your carefully constructed dividend portfolio. This level of passive income can provide financial security, freedom from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, and the ability to pursue your passions and personal growth without financial constraints. While the potential rewards of dividend investing are enticing, it's crucial to remember that no investment strategy is entirely risk-free. Diversification across different sectors, industries, and asset classes is essential to mitigate risks and protect your portfolio from market volatility. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure that it aligns with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Consider seeking professional financial advice if you're unsure about constructing an optimal dividend portfolio or managing your investments effectively. Successful dividend investing requires more than just picking the right stocks or ETFs. It demands a mindset of continuous self-improvement and financial education. Stay informed about market trends, economic conditions, and changes in the companies or sectors you've invested in. Seek out educational resources such as books, online courses, or financial podcasts to deepen your understanding of dividend investing strategies, portfolio management, and personal finance principles. Continuously expanding your knowledge will help you make better informed decisions and adapt to changing market dynamics. The dividend snowball effect is a compelling wealth-building strategy that harnesses the power of compounding and passive income generation. By investing in a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, ETFs, and REITs, and consistently reinvesting those dividends, you can potentially create a substantial stream of passive income over time. While it may seem like a gradual process at first, the exponential growth of the dividend snowball can accelerate faster than you might think. With patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset, you could find yourself living off a substantial passive income stream, freeing you from the constraints of traditional employment and enabling you to pursue your dreams and personal growth aspirations. Embrace the dividend snowball effect as part of your broader self-improvement and financial education journey. Invest in your future, learn continuously, and let the magic of compounding work in your favor. The path to financial freedom and personal fulfillment may be closer than you realize, thanks to the remarkable potential of the dividend snowball. You may also wish to watch our video on building a monster dividend portfolio if you haven't already done so in the link above and in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about how they can live off dividends fast. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for creating wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.